Hey guys, welcome to the channel. We're at Lidal Creek Campground in the San Gabriel Mountains in California, Southern California. So I just seen this road over here on the GPS, and I've seen cars driving on the road.
Coming out.
Yeah, coming out by the campground, so I looked on the GPS and it is paved, so I will go just see where it goes. Applewhite, I don't think that's it. No, yeah it is.
Oh, I thought you said it was further than that one. It's before that, something creek.
Maybe it's Applewhite Road. I thought it was. Oh, this is Lidal Creek Road, so maybe that's Applewhite Road, yeah. But it looked gravel right here, but I guess it turns paved right there. It's just some bad pavement.
It's in rough shape.
Yeah. So earlier today we watched some guys, some Forestry Service or something, but anyway, they was 7 of them, all with backpacks on, all this gear on, and they climbed all the way to the top of that peak up there. We could see them from our camp spot right over here, and they climbed up through there. There's a trail, looks like, and all the way to that peak. I mean, that is one heck of a climb, because our campsite is just right over here.
Yep, where you see that yellow tent. Well, you can't see it now, but just about. I can see it back there. There it is.
Yeah, right
over
down there. The orange tent, not yellow.
Oh, well, it looks yellow to me. Everybody tells me I'm colorblind.
But I think they was working on the trail, the foot trail. This is kind of a rough old road, but I mean, it is paved. Goes right down along behind the campground. So I just want to see where it goes.
I was like,
and if it stays paved, if it's over there where that car is going, it turns to dirt. It probably is.
That means it may not go all the way through like it said it did.
Well, it goes all the way through, but it may go all the way through dirt.
Well, that's true. I was wondering where they might have come down at. Right here's where they come down at, because there's no fence right there.
Huh. Well, this is a pretty skinny road, too.
Yep, it's narrow. I'm going to say this turns into dirt.
Yep. Turns into dirt right here. I'll be darned.
Well, we're going to have to figure out a way to turn around.
Well, I'm not climbing a mountain on the go.
Oh, wow. Look at that out there.
Fancy. Huh.
Is that spots for campers to come and park there? Because it said something about RV something.
I'm guessing. I don't know. The mountains are awesome in here. Yeah, we got reverse, so we'll be okay.
Just don't back up over that hill. That's a pretty place right there. Whatever it is.
We'll make a 20-point turn.
Do you want me to get off?
Nah. You're dealing with a pro here.
Well, even pros screw up.
Put it back in drive now.
Don't you me.
Oh crap, I was hoping it was paved all the way through.
Well, at least we got to see this side of that place. That's pretty cool. That's neat. They keep it all neat and mowed. I wish they would mow this, the park. They don't keep it very clean.
Nah, it's clean. It just ain't very mowed.
Well, that's what I mean, mowed.
Yeah. We definitely need to mow and weed eat the campground.
Yep.
Oh well, it was worth a shot.
I mean, we got one of the best areas to camp in, campsite 15, and it's got a lot of good shade.
Yeah, really nice. Really nice for shade, and there's enough spot there, sun spot, that I can put my solar panel out and charge our batteries. I'm going to look on the map now for something else.
And this is the first campsite we've ever been to that has great phone service. We're going to go to the beaches again tomorrow. Get up early in the morning and go take our showers and
probably
head
go
out.
to Huntington Beach.
Yep. Huntington Beach area and as far as we can get, and then try to be back before dark. That way so I can fix dinner.
Yeah, when you go a ways and you got a 2.5, 3 hour ride back, so you got to kind of time it so you ain't too late. Last night we actually got back at like, what was it, 12 o'clock?
Something like that. It was
11:30?
really late. It was about 11:30.
Yeah, because we stayed and done the sunset there at, what was the name of it?
Laguna.
Yeah, Laguna Beach. As you can see if you watch our last video, it was Laguna Beach.
Yeah, we had a very, very long day, but it was a fantastic, wonderful day. I mean,
Yeah,
it
that
was
good.
amazing.
Yeah, that was awesome.
It was like one of the most perfect days we've had. It was just awesome.
Freaked
Dang
me out.
crap.
It just freaked me out because there it was. But luckily I wasn't pulling out. I just pulling up there so I could see around the corner.
Felt
And-
like you was pulling out.
No, I had to pull up enough I could see around that edge. And wow, there come a car. Freaked me out.
He was traveling too fast. Whew.
Yeah,
Crazy,
probably did
crazy.
more than the 25-mile-an-hour speed limit.
Oh, I'm sure.
So today, pretty much, we just laid around camp, relaxed, had breakfast, and then just kicked back around camp and didn't do much. Just relaxed and enjoyed the shade, and
Yeah.
temperature about 85 degrees right now. But it's not really hot in the shade. Feels good. So we just had a good day of relaxing.
Yep. No, just gonna have a little short ride and then come back.
Yep, I'm short ride now, and then we'll come back and she's gonna fix supper. What are you fixing for supper?
Burgers, and we're gonna have chips with salsa, homemade salsa.
Yeah, burgers and chips and homemade salsa. That sounds good. This car behind us looks like he's fast and furious.
Well, he probably is.
He is wanting to go. He's probably thinking, there's this stupid motorcycle slowing me down.
Well, we didn't have the camera on last night coming back, but we was going around corner, and of course it's all no passing zone through that one mountain that was going through coming back, and some idiot come flying around us, past another car and then us, and staying over in the other lane and going probably 70 miles an hour.
Yeah, he was flying.
He was flying. He was gone. We don't know if he ended up in the ditch or anywhere because he was so far ahead of us. Who knows?
Stupid. There was a lot of stupid people in the world, and he's one of them.
Yep.
He was on Highway 74 going through the mountains. He was actually coming back from the beach over there.
It's a pretty area through here.
Yeah. Nice. Yeah, it's a nice ride. Just down through here, going to and from the campground.
Yeah. It is.
Hidden acres. Well, they're probably not too hidden.
They apparently had an old road that went to the creek right there, and they blocked it off with a big old boulder.
Huh? Stop people from going down in there.
Yep.
That dude's metal detecting here. He's looking for gold.
Mm-hmm. Said they used to find gold in this creek.
Yeah. Message from Kyle Bradshaw.
What's it say?
I don't know. I can just see it on the screen there. I didn't click on it. Let's let this sucker around. He's wanting to get on down the road. Look at him. He is going to go now.
Oh, I figured you were going to also stop and check your message.
Oh, no. This probably... Can't do it with my gloves on. This is supposed to be touch gloves, but they're worthless touch gloves.
Ooh, there's a corner.
He just gonna send me a ride to go on.
Maybe we can do it Thursday since
Yeah.
we're going back to the beach tomorrow. The beaches, because Friday morning we're getting up early and leaving, heading
Right.
home.
Head home Friday morning. It's been an awesome trip so far.
Yes, it has. It's been amazing.
Had a good time. And even in the tent, it's not been too cold. It's been cool, but not too cold. With the sleeping bag and blanket, it's only been in the 50s at night, so it ain't too bad at all. At least not. I'd rather be like that than be in the tent sweating because I'm so
Yeah.
hot any day. I'd rather be cool. Gotta watch around some of these corners. There'll be rocks out in the road, especially on that side.
Yeah.
On that lane, there's big rocks down the road, so you gotta watch. Come around these corners, boom, there's a rock.
What are you doing?
See if we can show you this creek.
Well, I guess it is flowing.
I mean, it's rolling, but it's not. There may be some deep holes somewhere.
Got more water in it than what I thought it did. Dang. Okay. Impressive.
Probably cold.
Oh, it probably is. I didn't think there was that much water in it. It just looked like little pools when you're driving on the other side looking at it real quick.
Yeah, hard to tell. I can tell you one thing. We smelled more marijuana in this state than I've smelled anywhere we've been.
No joke.
Crazy. Driving through towns and stuff and by people's house or a car pass you, and my goodness.
It's been bad.
Hey, I think there's a lot of people stoned around here or something.
Yeah, I told Frank if we ever happen to get drug tested after being here, we'd be in trouble because we got secondhand smoke.
Yeah. Leaving San Bernardino National Forest. Glen Helen, what? Regional Park, Amphitheater, Water Park. Well, Glen Helen, I don't know if it's around here, but Glen Helen is a motocross track. They run a lot of the pro motocrosses on it. They're not now, but surely it's not the same Glen Helen. It may be. I have no idea where we're going, guys. I'm just going forward.
That's what we do. We'll find a road and go.
We're going to go up that trail up there.
Oh, yeah. Just drop me off at the bottom.
Oh, okay. Which way do we go? Which way do we go?
Mudslide area 40. I don't know. I hope this
area, that's got to be a good spot.
might be. I don't know. Well, there's mailboxes out here, so it may continue on. Or you might get it out here and they'll say dead end.
Probably.
That's the way it goes sometimes. Okay. It points to the right. Okie dokie.
Foothill Street.
Well, they started to build something there. It looks like a barn, but they didn't finish it. I didn't realize what time it was already. Dang. That's 4:30.
Yep. We're just making a loop around through here.
Looks like it.
Anyway, guys, we're going to continue riding for a little while. Wanted to get on here and make a little short video today instead of just sitting around camp all day. So we thank you all for tuning in. Thank you all for watching. Click the thumbs up. Subscribe. God bless you all. And we'll catch you all on the next adventure. Right on.
Right on.